Saturday. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asifuddin, my student ID 114. Now I will discuss about the basic math in Excel sheet. How to calculate the basic math in Excel sheet. First of all, calculate the total of the com total of the salespersons. First of all, I clear this value. This equal press sum and press the tab button. Select the number one. Means select the cells of the uh, total cells. Shift and down tab. Then bracket close and press the enter and we'll get the total value of the cells. Then I calculate the average of the cell. First of all, clear this value. Press equal. Write average. Press the tab button. Select the total cells. Press shift and press the down button. Then bracket close and press enter and get the average of the cells. Then calculate the total commission. Press equal, write sum, press tab button and select the commission, whole commission. Press shift and down tab. Then bracket close, press enter and we get the total value of the commission. Then calculate the average of the commission. First of all, press equal, write average, press the tab button, select the whole commission cell, press shift and down button, bracket close and press the enter and we'll get the value of average value of the commission. Then I calculate uh, the PV. How to calculate the PV? For the present value, to calculate for the present value, first of all, press equal. For the calculate of present value, first of all, press equal, then type the PV, then uh, press tab button, press the rate, then select the rate and which will be divided by m. Select the rate which will be divided by m, press comma and select the answer and answer means uh, select the year and multiple of the m. TMT equals 0 and FV and press the FV 30,000 and press type equal to 0 bracket close and press enter and we will get the present value of this amount. The next, calculate the future value. How to calculate the future value? For the future value, is equal type FV, press tab button and select the rate, select the rate which divided by the M. Press comma and select the year which multiple the M. Press comma, PMT equal 0 because it's not given. PV will be 20,000 and press comma and press 0 close bracket and press enter and we get the future value of the amount. Then we calculate the future value of annuity, present value of annuity. First of all, press equal, then type FV, then type PV and press tab button and select rate which will be divided by M. Select rate which will be divided by M. Press comma and for select and which will be multiple M. Press comma, PMT, press PMT. Then select the value of PMT and FVA. Then type P, then type 0 and bracket close. Press enter and we will get the value of present value annuity. Next, calculate the future value of annuity. This equal, write FV, press tab button, rate, right, select rate, comma, select year, comma, and uh, select PMT, comma, PV equal 0, and type 0, bracket close, and we'll get, and press the enter, and we'll get the future value of annuity. And then we will calculate another future value of annuity. First of all, press equal, write FV, uh, press tab button, select rate which divided by m, press comma, select year which multiple m, press comma, pmt, right, pmt, press comma, pv, select pv, press comma, select 0, close bracket and press enter. Sorry. And we'll get the future value of annuity. Then calculate the answer. Stress equal stress equal answer, stress type answer, press tab button, select rate, press comma, select PMT. PMT will be 0, CV will be 5000, FV, select FV, select the value of FV, select the value of FV, then press and press 0, bracket close, and press the enter, will get the answer. Get the value of answer 6.12. And calculate answer, press equal, write answer, type answer, press tab button, select rate which divided by m, press comma, select PMT, press comma, select PV, press comma, select FV, press comma, and press 0, bracket close, press enter, and the we get the value of answer. And finally, calculate the rate. For the calculation of rate, press equal, type rate, press tab button, answer, select year, press comma, select PMT, press comma, select PV, comma, select FV, comma, press 0, bracket close, and press enter. Press enter. Sorry, I calculate again. First of all, press equal, select a type rate, enter tab button, select NPER, comma, PMT, select PMT, comma, select PV, comma, select FV, comma, press 0 and bracket close. Press the enter. Press the enter and NPER, comma, PV, FP, size, meters. And we will get the rate 4.58%. So that's all about, and finally, and my class is ended. Thank you, everyone.